Hello students, welcome to AJ Akshar Academy YouTube channel. In this session, I am going to discuss sound exercise question and answers 1 to 5 class 8. ఈ వీడియోను మొదటిసారి చూసేవారు దయచేసి లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. మీ యొక్క అమూల్యమైన అభిప్రాయాలను తప్పక మా కామెంట్ సెక్షన్లో తెలియచేయండి. Okay, let us go to the today's session sound class 8 question and answers exercise from 1 to 5. Let us go to the first one. Choose the correct answer. Sound can travel through, first option they given as gases only, solids only, liquids only, and the final option is solids, liquids and gases. In these four options, which one is correct? Sound can travel through solids, liquids and gases. So sound waves can travel in solids, sound waves can travel and liquids also and gases also. Okay, for this which option is correct? Fourth option is correct. So sound waves can travel through solids, liquids and gases. Come to the next one. Voice of which of the following is likely to have a minimum frequency? Here they given as four options. First one is baby girl and baby boy, a man and a woman. Here minimum frequency, here we are defining the pitch. Pitch depends upon the frequency. In this four options, a baby girl have the high frequency and a baby boy also, a man also, now a woman also having the high frequency. If you compare the four options, which one is minimum frequency? Nothing but a man. By comparing the four, among these four options, a man have the minimum frequency. So the answer is a man. The C option is correct. Next we will go to the next question. The third one, in the following statements, tick T against those which are true and F against those which are false. T nothing but true, F nothing but false. So first we will discuss one by one. Sound cannot travel in vacuum. Correct. Why? Because sound waves are mechanical waves. So for the propagation of sound, material medium is necessary. So that's why sound cannot travel in vacuum. Correct. True. The number of oscillations per second of a vibrating object is called time period. It is false. Number of oscillations per second of a vibrating object is called frequency. It is not they given as time period. It is not time period. It is frequency. So it is the statement is false. Come to the third one. If the amplitude of vibration is large, the sound is feeble. Here they given as amplitude of vibration is large, sound is feeble. Feeble nothing but weak or less. So if the amplitude is large, sound also will large. Why? Because loudness of sound depend upon the amplitude. If amplitude increases, sound also increases. So this statement is wrong. That is false. For human ears, the audible range is in between 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. Correct. Why? Because our human beings can able to hear the frequency range in between 20 to 20,000 Hz. Less than 20 Hz we cannot able to hear. Those are called infrasonics. About 20,000 Hz we are not able to hear the frequency range. So those are called ultrasonics. So our human beings audible range is 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz is the correct. The statement is correct. So it is true. Now next one, the lower of the frequency of vibration, the higher is the pitch. Actually pitch depends upon the frequency. If the frequency is lower, pitch also less. So pitch depends upon the frequency. If frequency is less, pitch also will less. Here in this statement they given as the lower the frequency of vibration, the higher is the pitch. Now it is incorrect statement. So it is false. Next one, unwanted or unpleasant sound is termed as music. It is a wrong statement. Music is a pleasant, which gives a pleasant sound is known as a music. Unwanted or unpleasant sound is termed as noise. So they given as music. So the statement is false. The statement is false. Now noise pollution may cause partial hearing impairment. Correct. This is the true. Okay. Next we will go to the next question. Fourth one, fill in the blanks with the suitable words. First one, time taken by an object to complete one oscillation is called time period. Time taken by an object to complete one oscillation is called time period. Second one, loudness is determined by the amplitude of vibration. Unit of frequency is Hertz. Hz, symbol Hz. Unwanted sound is called noise. The shrillness of a sound is determined frequency of vibration. First one, time taken by an object to complete one oscillation is called time period. Loudness is determined by amplitude of vibration. The unit of frequency is Hertz, symbol Hz. Unwanted sound is called noise. The shrillness of a sound is determined frequency by the vibration. Okay. Next we will go to the next question. Fifth one, a pendulum oscillates 40 times in 4 seconds. Find its time period and frequency. Now let us go to the solution. How many oscillations? 40 oscillations. So number of oscillations is equal to 40. Total time how much? 4 seconds. So what is time period? Time taken by the particle to complete one oscillation. For 40 oscillations in 4 seconds. For one oscillation, 4 seconds by 10. So 1 by 10. Time period nothing but time taken to complete one, here 40 times in 4 seconds. So for one oscillation, here we are calculating time 4 seconds by 40 number of oscillations. 1 by 10. 4 ones are 4 tens are. 1 by 10 is equal to 0.1 second. Again here we have to calculate frequency. So frequency nothing but number of oscillations per second. So number of oscillations how many? 40 oscillations. Time how much they given? 4 seconds. 40 by 4. 4 ones are 4 tens. So 10 per second or 10 hertz. Here frequency can be written as 10 hertz. Or we are writing as 10 per second. Now a pendulum oscillates 40 times in 4 seconds. Find its time period and frequency. Here they given us 40 times in 4 seconds. We should calculate both time period and frequency. What is time period? Time taken by a particle to complete one oscillation. Frequency nothing but number of oscillations in 1 second. So first number of oscillations 40. Time taken 4 seconds. So time period is equals to time by number of oscillations. 4 seconds by 40. 1 by 10. That is equal to 0.1 second. Frequency nothing but number of oscillations per second. Number of oscillations how many? 40. In 4 seconds. So 40 by 10. So 10 per second. So that is the frequencies. Units of frequency Hertz. So what is the frequency? 10 hertz. Time period 0.1 seconds. Thanks for watching this video.